going today? So I've got these 7-inch LED driving lights from AUXBEAM. This is a sponsored product that they sent me for to make a video on for the install, and then down the road a review as well. So first impression when I got these, they're nice and solid, solid and heavy lights. The looks like it's sort of a plastic cover. They are waterproof. IP rated, whatever the number is that makes them waterproof. So first impression on the quality seems pretty decent. So the plan for this is, since I only have my plastic bumper on Savage at this point, the plan is to keep this very simple and also temporary. For now, I'm just gonna take my chances and see what happens if I drill these into the plastic bumper and just mount them on that, and then see how they hold up. The plan is to eventually get this bumper replaced with an aluminum bumper. First thing I'm going to do is figure out where I want them to go. In the bumper, behind it, you can feel some sort of like pockets. So that's where I'm going to have to put it in. They will be. So I'm going to put them at 3 inches. So the hole is going to go here. No, that's too far down. The holes are going to go here. Obviously they're a bit lopsided right now, so let's not care for that too much. But basically, this would be the placement. I think that looks alright. So one thing to note is the first thing you got to do to get some access is remove the plastic piece that's right here, and that's just held in place by tabs, and that's just this piece right here. So that's in there. Just pops out with these tabs here. You remove that, and then you have access, and you can actually get your hands behind it and tighten the bolts down once you drill a hole into the bumper. Alright, so we get this rubber gasket, put that on there, hardware, and I'll take the first light. As easy as that. And then just to tighten down the angles, the angle of the light, you just tighten the sides on these lights with the provided Allen keys. That's what it's going to look like. Alright, so now we can put the plastic cover back on there. And the way you put this on is the same way you take it off. So it just sits just right there. And clips in. As for the wiring, maybe I will, let's see, maybe I'm gonna have to think it'll be alright to just run the wiring behind it. Okay, now to the fun part. I'm just gonna lay it out. See what kind of goes where. They're very long, way longer than I need them to be. Okay, and there's the second one. And there we go, they're hidden away pretty good. Okay. Alright, so before I clean up all this wiring, I'm going to make sure that the lights work the way they are right now. So I'm just going to connect the red and the positive and the negative. Very, very temporarily. A second. So this is the main. Woo! And then that's just the beam. The AUX, the AUXBEAM lettering in the middle. It looks way brighter, like way more lit up on camera. But in person, maybe it's the angle. Check. No, it's the camera. But anyway, and then obviously also both together. I'm just going to zip tie this together. One big bundle. It's a lot of cable. Holy cow. Auxiliary is here. So I'm just going to keep that free. Okay. So now, to get these wires here, which is from the switch, I'm going to just cut it here in the middle. Expose all the wiring. I'm going to save this in case I do need it somehow for the other switch again later, but I don't think so. So the problem is right now, I don't know which ones are which. Wow. Okay, so these obviously are going to be the main when they connect. Main and auxiliary. Oh, maybe I don't need the red and the black. Okay, what if I try this? Okay, so you just take the blue and the white from the AUXBEAM and you put them into the purple and the orange. And then we'll see which one is which. It'll be 3 and 4 on your Jeep switches. But which one is which, we'll see when I get in the Jeep. I'm just using these connectors here. All right. Okay, that's 3 is main and 4 is auxiliary. Sweet. All right, it works.